How to unlock iPhone without passcode. Let's get started. First up, before you stress out, check if you have Face ID or Touch ID enabled. If your iPhone supports Face ID, this is the easiest way to unlock it. Simply look at your phone, and it should unlock without needing the passcode. If you have Touch ID set up, just use your fingerprint to unlock the device. If Face ID or Touch ID doesn't work, you'll be prompted to enter your passcode. But if you've forgotten that too, don't worry, there are still options left. Here's another trick. If you've got a Mac or a Windows computer lying around, you can restore your iPhone using your trusted device. Just plug in your iPhone, open Finder on your Mac, or iTunes if you're on a Windows PC. Once you've connected it, you can restore your iPhone from here. This will erase the device, but it should unlock your phone. You can also use Find My iPhone to reset your phone remotely. Just head to the Find My app on a Mac, or use your browser to go to iCloud.com and sign in. Once you're logged in, select your device from the list and click Erase iPhone. This will wipe your device and reset it back to factory settings. No passcode needed. And there you have it. A few simple ways to unlock your iPhone without the passcode. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update.